everybody, welcome to Creative by Nature Art and Life. My name is Donna. Today I have a long-awaited Dollar Tree haul for you all. I'm going to be sharing some fall finds and a few other things, so let's get right into it. I'm going to share the non-fall items first. So of course it is back to school season, and this is the time when you can get the 8-piece Jot glue sticks. This is such a great deal. You get twice as much for the same price as the 4-pack. So I got a bunch. As you can see, I got 2 packages. And my friend Helen from Moss Cottage, she uses these Jot glue sticks all the time, and she does a lot of mixed media, junk journaling, glue booking, all that jazz, and she uses these all the time. So I have started to use them, and I am actually quite pleased with them. So yep, got those 2. And then I needed some shipping labels. These are the really large ones, but I thought I could always cut these in half. They didn't have the smaller size, so it says here these are laser printable as well as inkjet printable, so I thought that was really cool. So, you know, if you're not happy with your printing, you could always put those through the printer, or you could also, I thought would be really fun, is create your own stickers on these. So you could, again, put this through the printer, and maybe I could put this through my Cricut Joy machine. For sure, you could put this through your Cricut, other Cricut machines, but the Cricut Joy, it doesn't have a reader, so it wouldn't be able to scan and pick up the imagery. But I have seen lots of hacks on how to create your own stickers using the Cricut Joy, so I have been wanting to play around with that. Of course, life has been happening and I have not been able to get to that, but I do have lots of plans for my Cricut Joy, so just to let you know, I do. It's just, I'm going to fill you in on an update here in a minute. I got these mask containers, and they are slim and they are clear, and my friend Linda H, she uses these to store ephemera and different things like that are really nice and thin, like paper bit storage. And I love that idea because these are clear. A lot of mine that I have are not clear like this, so I'm like, yes, I was so excited when I finally found these in my store. So, yes, I know it's been a long time coming, bringing out a new video for you all. There has been a really bad forest fire in my area. My mom actually ended up having to be evacuated, and she was staying with us for 5 weeks. We just moved her back yesterday, so we're so thankful her house is okay, but there was a lot of devastation out in her area. So I had to put YouTube on hold. I could barely keep up with my other channel, so I want to thank you for your patience. I know I have promised a lot of stuff on this channel, and I haven't been able to fulfill those promises, so I just wanted to let you know that summer has been kind of hectic with this particular forest fire. The smoke was awful in our area, so yeah, we tried to just kind of hunker down, and we actually got put on evacuation alert a couple of times. It was pretty scary, honestly. We have not experienced anything like that here, well, since we've been living in this particular community. But I know it's happened, I think, once or twice a while ago, but everything's good now. They've got the fire held. It's within the containment boundaries, so hopefully they get it out. Honestly, it probably won't be until wintertime that it's completely out, because forest fires, they go into the ground, right? So anyways, I'm thankful to the forest fires for doing what they could, and I'm glad that my mom's back home and able to be in her home and it's standing. So yeah, anyways, so thank you all so much for your patience. Okay, so this is another really fun find. It is an agate slice. Some people will call these geodes, but I thought it was just so fun. And I thought, because it is just on MDF and this is just a print on here. This was the most realistic one I could find, but I thought, you know what? If a person could put a thin layer of clear shiny coat, a top coat, that would really bring this to life. So I'm gonna experiment and see what I could come up with. They had purple, pink, a blue, and then this teal, and this one was my favorite and it was also the most realistic, so we shall see what I can come up with. I was really excited to see this. Crafter Square has come out with permanent writable white sticker sheets, and these are for cutting machines, and this will fit my Cricut Joy, which I was really excited about. When it says permanent writable, I don't know if they mean that the sticker is permanent or if we are only to use a permanent marker. That part is not very clear. So if anybody has used these before, let me know down below if it's a permanent sticker or if we are to use a permanent marker on these. The store had some recollection stuff, and they had adhesive vinyl, and this is brown. But I thought, I'm like, if this is not permanent, which it does not say anywhere, I thought that this would be great to use for stenciling. So I just got the two, and we'll see. They also had these cute little wood plaques, and there's 5 pieces, and they're 2" by 5". They also had an amazing selection of some galvanized tin pieces, so I grabbed this truck. I do have a project in mind for that. And then they had this large word and it says family. They had lots of others, but I like this one the best. And there's a couple of holes in there so you could use it to hang. But again, I've got an idea for this as well, so stay tuned on my DIY channel. I love these garden scene stickers that they have, and I loved this window. I thought this was so pretty. They had other styles too, but I love this one the best. This would make just a really easy card or a journal page. And then they had these beautiful sticker sets. Now these go with a paper and journaling card set that they had out a while ago. And I was so excited that they finally got the stickers in. So here is what these stickers look like here. I love this set with all the pretty birds and flowers. And then I didn't get the paper set for this, but I was so excited to see that they had the stickers because it's got like little fairies and butterflies and mushrooms and flowers. I love that. So I am excited to play around with those. So I know you've probably seen these several times, and they are the laser cut wood pieces. I got the leaf set, and I know they have lots of other ones, but I thought this would be perfect for fall. And so now I'm going to be sharing the rest of the fall finds, and I found these mini pumpkins. I wasn't going to get these because my daughter makes some really cute ones, but I thought, you know what, I am going to get these so I have them on hand in a pinch. And they are these mini pumpkins. You can paint these, which is really cool. They are on a wire. So I got the 2 colors. They have some gorgeous napkins this year, and I just fell in love with this pattern. I even liked that they had like a bit of birch bark there on the bottom. So pretty. I loved this wood sign here. It says thankful and blessed, and I love the leaf embellishment. And then I found this oak wire leaf. Isn't that just so cool? Now, I'm sure people would do a lot of really cool things with this, but I actually kind of like it as is. I think just mounting it as is on the wall or onto a wood panel or a canvas board or something. You could maybe spray paint this black or give it like a rusty technique or something, but yeah, I honestly don't think this needs much at all. I needed to stock up on these florals, and I like these neutral colors. because then I could use them any time of year, but these are the mini sunflowers. So pretty. I do have some of these already, but I wanted to get some more. And then these ones are just mini mums. Again, I had some of these already, but I wanted a few more, so I grabbed 2 stems of each. And then they had their pip berries again. And last year I didn't get the orange and the burgundy, so I grabbed that this year because I actually do have a project in mind coming up using these. And then I also got the the white and the green. These are great for any time of the year. So I love all the different ceramics that they come out with at fall, and I fell in love with this owl trinket dish. I thought it was so cute. They had other colors as well. I've seen lots of people do different things with these. I don't know, I like this guy the way he is. I don't think I will change him. He could also be used as a spoon rest, which I thought would be really cute. Yeah, I'm not sure if I will use it as a trinket tray or spoon rest. But yeah, I think he would be cute. Even just a little tea light candle sitting here would be really cute as well. Yeah, I don't know. I like him. Okay, so this was such a fun find. They had wood mushrooms along with wooden acorns in their fall craft section. These are like the little button mushrooms. And these are kind of look like a bit like a toadstool. Aren't they cute? And then there's the acorns. Oh, so easy. These could be used in fairy gardens, gnome gardens. You can decorate a wreath. Any project would be amazing with these little pieces. And then I found the fall rub-on transfers. I fell in love with these ones that had the pumpkins. And then they had the leaves. And they had these leaves and pumpkins and the word fall and autumn and birds. This is so pretty. I love rub-on transfers. They can transform a piece so easily, and they're so fun and satisfying to use. I was hoping to find the gnome stickers, but I didn't. Hoping that maybe my store will still come out with them. We shall see. If not, that's okay. I'm not gonna be upset, but yeah, we'll see. So that was my haul for you all today. Let me know your favorite find that I have shared here today, or any of the fun things that you found. And I want to thank you all so much for being here and for your patience. I appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.